Let's learn double consonant. Do you remember those 5 consonants? So please read. G, D, B, S, Z. Good job. And now I will teach you the double consonant. So this G is 2 G sound. This is you have to pronounce short and strong. This is a G sound, short and strong. So it's a G, G. Yes, G. And the next one is D sound, but the double. So this is a D sound, maybe D, D, like G, G, D, D. D, D. Good job. And the third one is also double B sound. So this one is a B, and the double is B, B. Yes, a B. And the S sound, double S sound, it's a S, S. Yes. And the last one, Z, and then Z. This one is a Z, Z. So please repeat after me. G, D, B, S, Z. And please order 5. G, D, B, S, Z. Really good job.